Alright, this is Casey back with you from Base Life Double XL. Just doing a quick unboxing. This 8-inch subwoofer box that I ordered to do our 8-inch demos with. My AMM1 is en route, as well as the two most popular 8-inch subs on Amazon. This is a Labyrinth SPL box for a single 8 corded. So this is the box we'll be using. It's 0.8 cubic feet. Alright, it's not bad at all. So this is the box we'll be using to do it with. But as I said, we have two of the most popular 8-inch subs on Amazon coming. The number one, very most popular sub. We're going to put them on the AMM1 and put them at the rated power. Make sure they handle the rated power, and then see which one is the best one to buy. We're going to blow one of them. We're going to see which one's more durable. See which one is the sub to go after. So hit that thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I'll be back at you soon with that video. Just want to do a quick unboxing to let you guys see the little box that we got. And there'll be plenty to come. I'm going to do a test with the tins, some tins, a crossfire. There's a 12-inch crossfire. The 10 and the 12 both are $99. And I'd say I'd put it against anything as far as durability wise goes. So I was going to put it against a diff bonce machete and see which one goes first. And if anybody wants this 8, if we can get 100 likes on this, I'll give this 8 away to someone if they wanted the winning 8. So make sure and hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, Casey, Base Life at Double XL. I'm out.